The topic that we are going to study today is importance of business environment. Now when we talk about importance of business environment, it means importance of pestle analysis. So whenever you are studying political environment, economical environment, social environment, technological environment, and legal environment, there are certain benefits. So what are the importance of business environment or pestle analysis? First, identify opportunity and get first mover advantage. Now over here we are going to discuss an interesting example of WhatsApp. Now when you talk about WhatsApp was the first basic application which supported online messaging. So basically, whenever you are talking about online messaging, WhatsApp was the very first one to identify the opportunity of online messaging and get first mover advantage of the same. So whenever you are talking about WhatsApp is a leader. Why is WhatsApp a leader? WhatsApp is a leader because it was the first one to enter into online business of messaging. After that, many more came like Telegram, like Hike, but we can see the most successful one is WhatsApp. The second one is identify threats. You have to identify your competitors. If you fail to identify your competitors, they will act like threats and they will destroy your business. Now, best example is Idea. Idea failed to identify its competitor named Jio. Idea thought that it will be able to face competition with Jio, but in reality Idea is not being able to face competitor like Jio. So beforehand we have to identify our competitor and we have to frame a plan how we are going to face our competitors. Okay, the third one is helpful in buying resources. Now resources has a wide meaning, but over here in this particular topic we are going to study resources as raw material, helpful in buying raw material. Now you have to buy raw material according to the product that you are producing, and what kind of product you are producing totally depends upon business environment. Why? Because whatever the society wants you will produce, right? So this is called as social factor. Now society doesn't want black and white TV, right or wrong? They all want LED TVs. Now each and every one of us are living in technological advance era, that is technological factor. So we do not want black and white TV, we want LED TV. Now what will happen? We will buy raw material of LED TV and we will not buy raw material which will be used to produce black and white TV. So always remember, you have to buy resources. That means over here resources means what? Raw material which are useful in producing the current product and not the past product. And which product are you going to produce depends upon this society, and society means which factor in pestle? It means social factor. Now the fourth one is adjust with the change. Now we all know business environment keeps on changing. Political factor, that means political factor, whether BJP is going to rule or Congress or AAP, it keeps on changing. So you have to adjust your business according to it. Environmental factor, E. Environment keeps on changing. Sometimes it is summer, sometimes it is winter, sometimes it is rain. Environment keeps on changing and you have to change your business according to it. Social factor, society, it keeps on changing and you have to adjust your business according to it. The next one is technological factor. Technology keeps on changing and you have to adjust your business according to it. The next one is economical factor. That means it shall be boom or recession. Sometimes the economy is in boom and sometimes the economy is in recession, and it keeps on changing and you have to change your business according to it. Legal factors, when you talk about legal factors, that means laws. Now laws also keep on changing, right? Before some period of time, that is before 2017, we had indirect taxes such as service tax, sales tax, entertainment tax, etc. This all were omitted or removed and one new tax came into existence which was called as GST. Now when you talk about GST, you as a businessman or your business has to adjust with the new law called as GST. So all these factors, that is business environment, means what? Pestle. It keeps on changing and you have to change with the changing scenario. The fifth one is planning. Now, if the pestle factors change, you have to plan. Right or wrong? Political factors keep on changing, and according to the change in political factors, you have to plan. Social factors keep on changing, and according to the change in social factors, you have to plan. Technological factors keep on changing, and according to the change in technological factors, you have to plan. Now, technology was changing. Both Nokia and Samsung were in the race. And who was leading? But obvious that in the year 2008 2010, Nokia was a leading brand, not Samsung. But today, Nokia is nowhere and Samsung is the leading brand. Now, there was an opportunity in technological factor, and which was called as Android.